everyone! This is Fahrenheit 350. How have you all been? Today we have our star chef Paul Miaski. Hello, Paul.
Hi, Becca. It's good to be back.
Good to see you. All right. So what are we baking today?
Well, I think that first we'll be baking I think brownies would be a good start.
Good start.
Yeah.
Good start.
And then follow that up with. Oh, excuse me. I'm so sorry. Here, come one second. Hello. Oh. I'm on this. Oh no. I'll be right back. I'm so sorry.
Where are you?
I gotta go.
Oh, okay. Well, today we'll have a special episode of Fahrenheit 350. What about we invite someone from the audience? Great idea. Pick her. Oh.
Me?
Yes, you.
Yay!
What's your name? What's your name? Nice to
Hi, I'm
meet you.
Megan.
Call me Becca.
Okay.
All right. So you'll be our guest today. Special episode of Fahrenheit 350.
Okay.
So Megan, are you ready for cooking today?
Yeah.
So have you ever baked brownies before?
No.
No. Well, any dessert? Do you like baking?
No.
Have you ever been to a kitchen before?
No.
Oh, that's okay.
Okay.
So we'll bake today.
Okay.
We'll be baking the fudgy brownies. So are
Okay.
you excited?
Yeah.
Alright, so I already have my prepared batter right here. So, alright, so let's start with 3/4 cup of cocoa powder.
Okay.
Alright.
So this is a fourth of a cup, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
Alright,
What's next?
so next, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.
Okay.
Alright, let me clear this up for you. Remember, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. It's very important because it will determine how the baked good will rise, either become a fluffy cake or a fuzzy brownie. Alright, you got that over with? Okay,
Yep.
1/3 cup of oil. Alright, and then let's get 1/2 cup. We're gonna get 1/2 cup of boiling water.
Okay.
Alright,
How much am I supposed to put in?
1/2 cup. Alright, so we still need this. Alright, we need to put 2 cups of sugar. I know it's a lot, but
Okay.
alright, sugar is right there. While she's doing that, I'll go check with the oven. So to preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Can I mix it while you're gone?
Yeah.
Okay.
And next you need 2 eggs.
Okay.
Very good. One
I
more.
just dropped the shell on the floor.
Okay, I got it.
Here's the other one.
Alright. Another 1/3 cup of oil.
Okay.
Megan, are you sure this is vegetable oil?
Yeah. It looks like oil made from vegetables. Doesn't it?
Alright, yeah, well, alright. Let's see with this one.
Okay.
Got that. Alright, pour that in. Pour that. Then you need 1 1/3 of flour. You're doing great, Megan.
Thanks.
Alright.
Okay.
And lastly, salt. 1/4.
Why would you put salt in brownies? I don't bake, and even I know salt doesn't go in brownies.
Well,
We're not putting it.
okay.
I am the expert on this show.
Alright. So, and lastly, we need vanilla. Smells very nice.
How much am I supposed to put in?
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Okay, I'll put in 2. What's it?
Alright, so...
Okay, I'll mix it now.
Okay. I mean, I like confidence.
Look, okay, these two look the same. Yeah, look what a good job I did.
Yeah, it does look. I
Right?
mean, it looks very.
They look the same.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same
Very-
shade of brown.
Very nice.
Same consistency.
So let's. Now that you're done with your batter too, let's get the pans. I already lined it with parchment paper.
Okay. Let me try to.
Alright. Okay.
I'm trying to get all the vegetable oil out.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Alright, so are you ready?
Yeah. Do I just dump it?
Yes.
Okay.
A little sticky for mine.
Mine isn't sticky at all. I don't know why.
Okay, we're good.
Alright. Alright, so let's pop this in the oven.
Okay.
Alright, so let's go back.
Okay.
So we'll put that in for 35 to 40 minutes.
This is really good.
Alright. We'll see you in a few. We're back! So, while you were gone, we've put the brownie batters in the oven, 350 degrees, for 35 to 40 minutes. So, now we're gonna check on them. Alright.
Why do they look so different?
Hi, I'm Dr. He, and I'm here today to talk to you about food chemistry. So the first topic we're going to be talking about is baking soda versus baking powder. Now, baking soda and baking powder are both very common ingredients in recipes, but back a startup. Hi, my name is Dr. He, MD, PhD, JD, Chef Extraordinaire, and I'm here today to talk to you about food chemistry. Now, the first topic we're going to be talking about today is baking soda versus baking powder. And as you know, these two things are called for very commonly in recipes, but a lot of people don't actually know the difference between them. So I'm here to tell you what the difference is. Okay, baking soda is pure sodium bicarbonate, which is NaHCO3 as a chemical formula, whereas baking powder is a combination of NaHCO3, an acidifying agent, and a drying agent. So baking soda, which is pure sodium bicarbonate, needs an acid to react with in order to form CO2, which will cause whatever it is you're baking to rise. And the chemical formula of that, the net chemical formula, is NaHCO3 in a solid form plus hydrogen ions makes Na plus ions plus H2O liquid and CO2 gas. And that's how NaHCO3 causes rising in baked goods. Okay, so since baking powder already has an acidic part of it in it, it doesn't necessarily need another acidic ingredient in the recipe, whereas baking soda does. So acidic ingredients are things maybe you wouldn't think of. There are ones that are really obvious, like if you make some kind of like lemon pie, obviously the lemon's acidic. But things like chocolate and cream of tartar, which is potassium tartarate, are also acidic and will react with baking soda to cause it to release CO2 and cause the whatever to rise. The other interesting thing about baking soda versus baking powder is that baking powder now is double acting. And that means that baking powder, it will initially react to release CO2 when it's added, but then more CO2 is released again when it starts being baked because of the increased heat. So basically, baking powder releases CO2 in 2 steps, whereas baking soda will only release it in 1 step, meaning that baking powder will cause whatever it's in to rise more than if you use baking soda. So that's why, for example, baking soda is used in brownies and baking powder is used in cakes, as you saw in our video.
Are you sure this is a brownie?
I am 100% sure. I listened to every single thing you said. So if this is wrong, it's your fault.
Well, alright. We'll talk about this later.
What's there to talk about?
We'll talk about this.
It's perfect.
So since we're done with our brownies, we'll show you the tasting later. So, alright.